Understanding GAN's racial classification. A detailed look into anthropological race categories. Welcome to Anthronet Academy, a study aligned with the UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Stay till the end of the video to know books related to this topic or check the description box for link. Introduction to GAN's classification. Who was Stanley GAN? Anthropologist known for race and human variation studies. Proposed a detailed racial classification system. Focused on both broad and local population groups. His work influenced biological anthropology. Classification helps understand human diversity. The three broad racial categories. Major racial divisions. Caucasoid, Mongoloid, Negroid. Based on physical traits like skin color and skull shape. Further divided into subgroups. Caucasoid race. Diverse origins of Caucasoids. Includes Europeans, Middle Easterners, and South Asians. Typically lighter skin, varied hair textures, and straight to wavy hair. Different skull structures and facial features. Subgroups, Nordic, Alpine, Mediterranean, etc. Found across Europe, North Africa, and parts of Asia. Mongoloid race. East Asian and Native American connections. Found in East Asia, Southeast Asia, and the Americas. Features, epicanthic fold, straight hair, and yellowish or reddish skin tones. Strong adaptations to cold climates, example, thicker eyelids. Includes Chinese, Japanese, Eskimos, and Native Americans. Subgroups based on geography and culture. Negroid race. The rich diversity of Africa. Primarily found in sub-Saharan Africa. Darker skin, tightly curled hair, broader nose. Adaptations to hot climates, melanin-rich skin. Includes Batu, Nilotic, Pygmy, and Khoisan groups. Significant genetic diversity within this classification. GAN's 9 subracial groups. Going beyond the 3 races. GAN classified races into 9 smaller groups. Example subgroups, American Indians, Polynesians, South Asians. Acknowledged variation within racial categories. Based on historical migration and adaptation. Emphasized racial classification as a flexible model. Criticism and limitations. Is racial classification still valid? Critics argue race is a social construct, not a strict biological division. Genetic overlap between groups challenges racial boundaries. Modern anthropology favors population genetics over racial labels. Environmental adaptation explains physical differences better. GAN's model was a step toward understanding human diversity but not absolute. Modern perspectives on race. Race in anthropology today. Shift from racial classification to population genetics. Human genetic diversity is continuous, not discrete. Race is more of a cultural concept than a biological fact. Studies focus on ancestry, not fixed racial categories. Human variation is shaped by migration, adaptation, and history. Conclusion and key takeaways. Final thoughts on GAN's classification. GAN's racial classification was an attempt to categorize human diversity. Acknowledged complexity by adding subracial groups. Modern science moves beyond strict racial divisions. Anthropology today focuses on human variation through genetics. Understanding history of classification helps in discussing race and diversity. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anthronet Academy, for more insightful content on anthropology. Stay safe and connected.